Hi friends, all of us look for something quick and healthy to eat as breakfast every morning. Instant dosas is the best option to save the time. They need no soaking, no fermentation and no grinding. Today we are showing two quick and simple instant dosas with minimal ingredients along with a simple and unique chutney made without any tempering called as mirumu. You're watching DCRT channel, and in DCRT recipes, today we brought barley dosa and rava dosa along with mirumu chutney. Let's see how to prepare barley dosa first. Take a mixing bowl and add half cup of barley flour, half cup of wheat flour and half cup of rice flour. Add salt as per your taste. Small cup of grated carrot. Small cup of chopped coriander leaves. Mix well. You can also add chopped onions here. It enhances the taste. Add 3 glasses of water little by little and give it a good mix without any lumps with a whisker. The consistency of dosa batter should be thin, runny and flowy so that dosa will be crisp. See the consistency? It's like water. Now take a heavy bottom tawa and heat it. Make sure tawa is hot and keep the flame in high. Pour few drops of oil and wipe it with a clean cloth or a tissue paper. Before pouring on tawa, just mix the batter and then take the batter with a ladle. Start from the edges and move towards the center. If there are big or small gaps, fill them lightly with the batter. Sprinkle oil on all the sides. After it's cooked, flip to other side and cook. Fold and then remove from the pan. Make remaining dosas as well. Stir and mix the batter every time before pouring on the pan. We got 12 dosas with these measurements. Serve hot this healthy instant barley dosa with chutney of your choice. We served this with mirumu and recipe of that is shown at the end of the video. Now let's see how to prepare rava dosa. Take a mixing bowl and add half cup of Bombay rava, half cup of rice flour and half cup of all-purpose flour. Add salt as per your taste. Add a small cup of grated carrot and small cup of chopped coriander leaves. Mix well properly. You can add chopped onions if you want. Add 3 glasses of water little by little. Mix all the ingredients without any lumps. The consistency of batter should be thin like water so that we will get netted texture for dosas. See, this should be the consistency. Now take a heavy bottom tawa and heat it. Make sure tawa is hot and keep the flame on high. Pour few drops of oil and wipe it with a clean cloth or a tissue paper. Before pouring on tawa, just mix the batter and then take the batter with a ladle. Start from edges and move towards the center. If there are big or small gaps, fill them lightly with the batter. Sprinkle oil on all the sides. After it's cooked, flip it and cook. Fold and then remove from the pan. Make remaining dosas in the same way. We got 12 dosas with these measurements. Serve hot rava dosa with any chutney of your choice. See how dosas look so crisp and netted texture? We serve this with mirmu. Let's see how to make mirmu chutney. These are the ingredients. 1 cup of roasted gram, rock salt as required, and 5 dry red chilies. You can change amount of chilies as per your preference. Close the lid and grind into a fine powder. To the powder, add 1/4 cup of chopped onions and 1 teaspoon of tamarind paste in the mixer. Close the lid and grind everything. Now add 1/3 cup of water and grind again into a smooth and fine paste. See the consistency of chutney, how fine it looks. Now add half teaspoon of oil into the chutney and mix it well. That's it. Your chutney is ready to serve. Enjoy this no tempering tasty and spicy chutney. If you like our recipes, please share your feedback in comment section below. For more traditional recipes, please subscribe our DCRT channel and click bell icon. Thank you.